I am Samreen Akhtar. You are watching South Asia Global. Let's have a look on headlines. The President's address to the House at the beginning of the new parliamentary year reflects the demonstration of democratic continuity addressing a joint session of Parliament. President Asif Ali Zardari appeared the government's effort for the country's economic development. The meeting of the House Business Advisory Committee of the National Assembly was held under the chairmanship of Speaker National Assembly Sardar Ayaz Sadiq. The meeting discussed the agenda and the duration of 40th session of the National Assembly at the first session of the second parliamentary year. The second phase of economic review talks between Pakistan and the IMF for a new $1 billion installment in underway. A long session was held with the IMF on the reducing the basic tariff from 1.5 to rupees 2. The government has convinced to the IMF to make electricity cheaper by rupees 2 unit. The Foreign Ministry has clarified the issue of preventing a Pakistani diplomat from entering the United States. Foreign Office spokesperson Shafkat Ali Khan says that the Pakistani diplomat had gone to the United States on a private visit and the Foreign Ministry is investigating the matter. Advisor to the Prime Minister Rana Sanaullah says that the grace of the God, the government has become strong. Who said the anchor should be taken off air? This is the honors of policy. The government has no involvement in taking anchors off air. The first meeting of the committee established on the instruction of Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif to increase cotton production was held under the chairmanship of the Federal Minister Rana Tanveer Hussain, which was attended by the concerned officials. The Federal Minister expressed concern over the decline in cotton production and stressed to the need to find immediate solution for cotton production. Defence Minister Khwaja Mohammad Asif, speaking to the media outside the Parliament House, said that the PTI is an allied group of terrorists. We have made great sacrifices in the war against terrorism. Operations of security forces are going. 21 days left for the evacuation of illegal foreign and Afghan citizen card holders. The government of Pakistan had decided to send back illegal foreign and Afghan citizen card holders. Illegal residents and Afghan citizen card holders have been given a deadline to leave Pakistan. A passenger bus has crashed in southern Mexico, according to the local authorities. 18 people were killed and dozens injured in the tragic accident. Interpol has taken former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte into custody. Rodrigo Duterte's arrest warrant was issued by the International Criminal Court of charges of crimes against humanity. Pakistan could be placed in the orange category. Pakistan would not face a complete travel ban but could face stricter scrutiny when applying for visa. According to the reports, restrictions could be imposed on certain types of visa for Pakistan citizens. And New Zealand has announced its T20 squad for the Shuttle Series against Pakistan. The New Zealand Cricket Board has made several changes to the Kiwi team for the T20 series against Pakistan. Stay tuned with South Asia Global. For more updates, you can visit our website sag.tv.